Now it's time to go buy sojo. Hả? Biang boleh cuba. Okay ta. Thanks. भाई साहब आज तो Saturday है ना. This is the main commercial place live in Shillong. There's a lot of yelling. Oh shit, where's that Nimboo guy man? भाई साहब कहाँ है नींबू तो नहीं है इधर में. अरे भाई नींबू का काम मेरे को धोखा दिया भाई. 2 दिन से खत्म हो चुका. अभी क्या करेगा भाई. ये लीजिए और 100 GPS है हाँ. Teknik ka petrol pump ni ha Jan Vishal ni ha po Jill Road. Kadang sebut you ni dia ngangat baka kamlong accurate. Alah pipe ka hai. Oh pipe tu idhar hai. Oh that he very stupid. Where's the nozzle point? नहीं चलता. ओह खराब हो गया ना क्या. नया भी खराब हो गया. गई kini ka machine nang thamai kalau das new. Stop it. No wonder right. Kibu you new pipe solution ya. Damn. भैया लाइट नहीं चलाता है. पानी घुस गया उधर में. क्या करेगा फिर. चलाना ही पड़ेगा ना. Now it's time to go buy sojo. तेल तो भर्ती हो गया भाई. This is the hot spot. This is the main place where people hang out at night doing some crazy drunk stuffs. भाई साहब क्या सीन है भाई. आज तो सैटरडे है ना. इधर में तो बहुत खास दिख रहा है. So this is basically the place where everybody is doing their shopping and stuff. So you'll see lots of beggar also, lots of people minding their own business, walking, going, This is the main commercial place live in Shillong. This is Police Bazar and you can see that there's a lot of yelling. These guys are selling second-hand clothes. I really hate following cars like this man, especially in crowded areas like this. I really hate it bruh. Oh shit, where's that Nimboo guy man. I was busy talking with you guys and I almost forgot my work purpose around here. Oh Nimboo didi. Oh भाई साहब कहाँ है नींबू तो नहीं है इधर में. गई नींबू. I think I might have to come again one more round. I think I must have missed it somewhere back there. Shit. Do you want me to overtake this car? But then it is very risky because people walking here are very absent-minded. Where can I get that Nimboo bro? I think somewhere over there might be a shop. This shop. भैया, ओ भैया, नींबू है. अरे भाई साहब. I have to rotate again from here. Shit. There's this one old man who used to sell Nimboo, lemon. So puja is going on or what? This guy was in a hurry. He's blinking his lights so that he can go bypass them. Go get it boy. I'm gonna go from here because I've already ride from that side. I'm gonna be riding my bike from this side, showing you guys what's the scene on Saturday evening in Shillong Police Bazar. So both of these sites are under construction. I don't know what are they going to make, but then something big is gonna come up I guess. And look at these cars man, not even giving me a chance. And this is the Vivanta by Touch. Hello bro. Wanshay. Huh? Oh biang boleh cuba. Sah sana. Okay. Malaysia mentah. Oh Swiggy. Okay. Hadut sibet weekend. Ta, ma dan bak la. Okay ta, thanks. Mataruh dang record hi. Some of my subscriber who end up talking to me, he said he used to watch my videos and stuff. This is the Times Square of Shillong, guys. I should pay attention this time. Oh my god. Nimboo, 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 Nimboo. I really hate man honking. I don't like honking. But in this type of area, man, I have no other choice. Where the f***ing Nimboo at? There, where's the Nimboo guy? Ooh. Getty Nimboo. I don't see the Nimboo guy, bro. I don't see the Nimboo guy. What the bro? Where else can I get that sojo? That sojo, we can only get that sojo around this side. I don't know if we can get it from Polo, but it's too late now. It's already 8:30. अरे भाई नींबू काका मेरे को धोखा दिया भाई. अरे मेरा ब्रदर इन लॉ के लिए हम नींबू खरीद करने चाहिए क्योंकि वो तो बहुत नींबू खाता पीता है और अभी क्या करेगा. 2 दिन से खत्म हो चुका. अभी क्या करेगा भाई. Thế liu so jauh mentah kasih ngamlap re mentah nadu men si Thursday la pathiet nadu Wednesday jingi cha Wednesday ro khamlap Thursday klat Friday klat mentah si Saturday bom dan chu Senin so jauh la bing galit preu utu nong diem dan अरे भाई नींबू काका मेरे को धोखा दिया भाई. आज वीडियो इधर में ही खत्म करेगा. Okay guys, te prolognya saya kendo episode 4. Hakasngi bangali right mga. Jangan sa share videos na ni Fisia te. Thank you so much for tuning into Mr. Cocktail. We'll see you guys soon. We'll see you guys later. Alligator signing off. Cocktail rides. Peace out.